Alright, with our part 2 assignment for our chapter 7, we're going to be just kind of expanding on converting degrees into radians and radians into degrees. So just quick note, when we're going from degrees to radians, I'm going to abbreviate with D to R. Alright, we're going to go ahead and we're going to multiply by pi over 180. And when we're doing radians to degrees, we'll say R to D, we're going to multiply by 180 over pi. So we're just reciprocating those. We're just reciprocating those fractions. So for instance, for number 1, we have 30 degrees. We're going to take that 30 degrees and we're going to multiply it by pi over 180. And when we multiply that out, we end up with 30 pi over 180. All right, and we can go ahead and simplify that. And once we simplify that, we end up with 1 pi over 6, which in turn is just pi over 6. I don't know why that triangle popped up there. There we go. Pi over 6. Now when we're doing radians to degrees, we're going to multiply, like we have in our notes, by 180 over pi. And the reason why we do this is so we can cross cancel these pi signs. So we end up now with 35 times 180 over 18. So after we're able to cancel out those pi signs, we just take 35 times 180 and we end up with 6,300 over 18. Alright, so we'll just simplify that fraction and carry out the division, and we get 6,300 divided by 18, and we get 350 degrees.